What's up guys and welcome to Satxrn. Today I will show my updated 2025 desk setup, so let's start. First is a local ergonomic chair I got, which is very comfortable and nice. Then as for the desk itself, it's the ikea Satxrn 140 by 70 centimeters. It's a wooden dark brown colorway. And underneath there is the ikea Alex doors in white and the ikea Adil's legs in white. Now I also got this ikea LED strip 1 meter in white. So as you can see, it's a small row around the desk behind it. And also I got some Lego brickheadz from Star Wars, so nice toys, and also an ikea plant. Now as for the computer itself, it's my 2018 gaming PC, which has the 8th gen of i7 and nvme GTX 1050 Ti GPU, and overall it's a very solid device, but I plan to replace it with the M4 Mac Mini soon and use it as a backup machine. And overall it's a nice PC, but it needs more speed and more power, so therefore I need this upgrade. Now as for the monitor, it's the Asus VG249Q. It's a Full HD 24-inch 144 Hz gaming monitor, and it's a very good monitor. It's pretty small, but I will upgrade it later when I get the Mac Mini to an 27-inch full HD or Quad HD or 4K monitor. So and also it's a very compact monitor. The view angle is good, and the refresh rate is very good too. Also, as for my monitor arm, I have the NBF80, which is very stable and good for also future monitors of 27-inch too. And it's very ergonomic and also very cheap. Got it from Amazon, and it's very good overall. Also, this is the BenQ monitor lightbar. It's the BenQ screen bar, and it's very good. I got it from Amazon too, and it produces very good light. And also my webcam is the Logitech C920X, and it is mounted by the Elgato L stand, L mount, and it's very ergonomic for the webcam and good for Zoom calls and YouTube streaming and more. Now as for the wall itself, it's a light gray colorway for the wall, and it has also white Elgato web panels in a shape that I created. And also I have a small art and my calendar, and also the PS5 mounted on the wall itself, and the clock. So overall it's a very nice setup. And also my hard drive for the PC, it's mounted under the PS5 itself. Now also as for the mouse and keyboard I'm using, it's the Logitech MK295 silent combo, which is very budget, cheap, but good quality, and it's more than enough for most people. And maybe I will upgrade to the MX Master and the MX keys later. And also I have the SteelSeries QCK underneath, and it's a very good desk pad overall. And now as for my audio setup, I have the Yamaha AG06 MK1, which is a USB-B mixer audio interface, and everything is connected to it for my audio setup. So as for my headphones, those ones are the Beyerdynamic DT990 Pro 250 ohm, and they are very good. And I connected them also to the mixer, and it has a cheap Amazon headphones clamp mount for the desk itself, and those ones are very comfortable, and I'm using it since 2022, and they are very light and comfortable overall. Also, I'm using the Shure MV7 mic, first gen, with the Rode PSA1 boom arm, and it's a very solid setup, and it's good now, and was also good before. Now, as for the speakers, those ones are the Edifier MR4s in white, and those ones are budget but very good for Edifier, and for most casual users they are just fine. And underneath is the Kanto S4W speaker stands in white too, and it's very stable and makes the audio very good. And overall, in conclusion, I'm very happy with this setup, and I built it in recent years, since 2022 till now in 2025, and I'm very happy with this setup, and I'm looking forward to use it, and maybe upgrade some small things like the PC, upgrading it to the Mac Mini in M4, and also the monitor to a 27-inch monitor instead of 24-inch monitor. And overall, it's a very solid setup. Maybe also the audio setup, but overall, I'm very happy with this setup, and it's very clean, minimal, and aesthetic, and I'm looking forward to continue using it, and upload more videos too about this setup and the peripherals too. So yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel to support, and for more videos, turn on the bell notifications. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you enjoyed, and peace.